Hi guys, welcome to an unexpected episode of the Fashion Shock Show. Now, I've already think I've closed shop, I've told my neighbor wait till next year. But when I saw some looks on the red carpet, had they just concluded movie premiere, SugerRush, I said no. That moment I knew I have to rush to the studio to shoot a brand new episode because the shockers came and the shockers. Welcome to the show. Before we start the show, there are two things I would love to highlight. The first is we never wrongly point out, and number two is we never ever body shame on the Shock Show. Now, the Shock Show is not a platform to abuse, to body shame, to make people feel less of themselves. It is never personal. It is always about your style. And on that note, I'm going to apologize to the young, beautiful, gorgeous actress who had the yellow shirt that I thought was a bodysuit. I was actually misled. I've seen it like a few times and I thought she was wearing a bodysuit. But this time around, I do observe, wait, no, she's not wearing bodysuit. Actually, that's how the shirt is. On behalf of myself, on behalf of the director, the DOP, the editor on set, on behalf of all of us in Kiki TV, I want to apologize to you where it was a mistake. Please, from the bottom of your heart, which I know is sweeter than the bottom of jollof, I want to say sorry. I love you, but God loves you. Now, like I said before, I thought I was done for the year, but when I saw some shock on the red carpet, I don't call my crew, which is Shelley. That is where it has happened. Now, before you talk to your neighbors, it's very important for you to check your brain. And I have a company on the set today. We call this one Tom Tom. Now, brought to bed, can you just tell me the difference between this and this your look? Because sometimes it only shocked me. I feel shocked. When I see your look, I feel shocked. Because now, the only difference is some is using orange, they are using pink. Have you ever seen a black sugar cane before? Have you ever seen a black chewing gum? If you see even Tom Tom gum, they still it shouldn't have been you, because your expectation is on Cocoa House, very high. I'm having so much expectation from your hand, but the way you form my hand on this particular red carpet, I need somebody to told me, money rara is not in. They say I check the side, check the front, check the back, money no back. But now the end of the day, we already know that the red carpet was supposed to be all candy and very sweet and very yummy, interesting, sweet. Now, I don't think there's a place you cannot eat sweet. You can actually have sweet on the plane. You can have sweet at work, in your car, while playing, everywhere. You can actually. But I didn't think that somebody can go into Sugarland and they wear sweet truck. And the animal. You see, I've already know that this shock show is going to leave me how of a lot of things. Bodysuit on the red carpet, how? Now, do you know that this can either be a bodysuit or a play suit, whichever way. What that really pained me go is the fact that, do you realize that blazers is actually very pretty and then it complements your hair? Yourself, Takemakiwa, Funke Akindele were the very few people that were able to, effortlessly complement their hair with their outfits. But no, when I told you, sometimes when you are leaving your village, don't dagbere. To party dagbere, Mam Shuku, see you next Christmas. See you next Yam Festival. You're already telling them we will team law, and as a result of that, they're gonna wait for your junction. Because how? Now, when I was thinking, I've seen everything, then I caught a glimpse of your shook. It's having red and other multiple colors, and I asked myself, Just imagine she had like a micro mini ball dress and then she had that blazers on it. It would have been perfect. That's perfect too. But it's a lie too. He didn't get there. And you were almost there, but your Uber cancelled. So sad. There are some colors you don't try to bring together. Yes. Because when you bring them together, most times there are chances it can go wrong. E.g., blue and red. Now, it's like maybe you have already packed your food now. The starter pack is complete. That very moment, you already have moi moi, you have rice, you have plantain, you have coleslaw. You don't need to introduce beans. Even though rice and beans, they go together. But already moment in here, it's not working. Now, this is looking like something that was not planned, yet it was planned. Because I want to believe that you wouldn't be rocking a blue hair every day of your life, but then these two looks coming together for the red carpet, and I've dropped. It didn't go. The next shock is a recurring shock, and right now I kind of feel like if you have to be on the carpet, then you need to pay a lot of attention to your details. Either you hire a stylist, either you read up on the theme, read up on the looks, read up on chances, read a lot of things. Just read it, because now you cannot have the intention to be going to Ibadan, then you now go to Ekpe to go and enter the bus when beggar is there and you are living somewhere around Magodo. You have already missed the road. Exactly. Because now I want to ask, please, Ejosa, what is that polo doing under the blazer, on the red carpet? Now this looks like something you want to wear in the evening to the polo club and a very light date, you know, something very light, like a casual corporate kind of look. That's where you want to wear this kind of outfit too. When they told you pay sugar cane, sugar rush, sugar, everything sugar. Imagine if your look right now is sweet, will you buy it? If this particular look right now, if it's shingon, will you show it? You won't show it. So don't show it up our throat. We will not show it. Thanks. Another shock on the show is going to be the, let me call this the pink sugar rush. But it didn't, you know, when you have an idea, you know what you want to do, you know how to do it, but somehow you now discover you have already planned that trip to Abeokuta, you have already packed your box, you have already sit down in the car. Then upon arriving or approaching Ibafo, you realize you are on empty tank. That is exactly what happened to this particular outfit. I could actually see how this outfit can be great, but the finishing, the skill, the technique around, you know, the combination of colors was just poor. Now, bringing these colors together is actually not a bad idea, but I think the right shades were not, you know, put together. Different shade of pink, but when you go back to your color wheel, you actually understand what shade comes before the other. So I kind of feel like the first thing that everybody that goofed on this carpet should have done was to go to the color wheel. On the color wheel, you understand what color is next to the other color, what color is adjacent, opposite, adolescent, chascent, to which color. So that way you are guided, because guidance, who are very important above guardian. Thanks. And then we have Kayla in yellow. Now, yellow is one color that would always give you that loud volume you want on the red carpet. Then the tie-eye slit says sexy and confidence. But it's like you didn't really plan. No, let's say the truth. It's like when you didn't really plan for the event. Now, upon hearing that there's the event, then you approach the event. In the likelihood that there was a planning in the process, the planning did not have a visual representation, because now you have like, it's an evening dress with a tiny strap, beautiful, and then you have the mesh tall neck top inside of that, and it is synchronized. How will you feel if you pay for DSTV and then you switch to channel 157, which is African Magic Yoruba, and you are watching Cartoon Network? You have to call customer service. Eluma, call customer service. So to every girl out there, I do this myself. Sometimes I have to like lay my style on the table. Oh, Kiki is sassy, she's chic. Sometimes I want to be a tomboy. I have to research the looks, research your looks, understand what suits you, what goes with your body, so that you look great all of the time. Now, what I'm trying to say, Nikwe, the tone of your hair and then the dress color, they don't have a place together. Now, blonde is that kind of shade that comes in different tones, and this goes according to your skin tone. You need to understand your skin tone and then find the perfect shade or tone of blonde for your skin tone. Literally, that's the way it works. So I could throw on some blondes and I'm like, that's too much, or that's not bright enough, that's not cool enough. As long as you don't gasticate, that's me will shock. I think them now. So I love the dress. I think it's beautiful. The fit is beautiful. But the problem is, does this also go into the theme? And let's take it back to chewing gum. Minus go, or M&M, which you do come in turquoise blue, or teal green sometimes. Are you going to hit a candy of this color? I know you will eat it. Another show we have on the show is going to be the blazers dress. Definition goes a very, very long way. I've said this like a million times and I feel like I cannot over-exaggerate it. It must have definition. Are you in a situationship? Are you in a relationship? Are you in a marriage? Are you divorced? Are you a single parent? See, the way life has a definition is the exact way fashion has definition. So there is no definition. From the hair to the blazers itself, the shoes, everything just feels like putting so many things together. Maybe outside this red carpet, this look might not be so bad, but on this carpet, for the theme, there's no rush, there's no sugar. Because even if Sweet Alagbo want to rebrand, if they want to do wrapper, they still cannot use this color to do the wrapper. Henceforth, sorry, no. Thanks. And finally, guys, on the shock show that we experienced at the just concluded premiere of the movie SugerRush, is going to be the plum and the cerise pink. Pink is a very proud color. You need to understand that. There's some colors that they are very proud. Pink is very proud, blue is very proud, and green is very, very proud. Now, these are colors that before you can introduce any color to them, you must do it properly. You have to like call a band, call a caterer, call Alaga Joko, Alaga Duro, and do a proper introduction. Because if you just feel like you throw one color up and throw another color down, it's not going to be great. Now, if she had done that in pink and orange, it would have been sweet. Or if she had done that with a plum and a very pastel shade of pink, maybe it might work. But creating that gap between up and down, how do you think we can get to the mainland from the island without any bridge? It's not going to work. Without the Koi bridge, without the Katia bridge, we cannot go possible. We cannot get to highland or get to mainland without a bridge. Now, there's no way we're going to get to that pink down there without a bridge. You should have created a bridge, something in between, and it would have been beautiful. Because guess what? Your skin showing at that midsection is already a color of its own. So it's like plum, brown, and pink. Hence, where the good happened. Thanks.